Hello everyone, welcome to another video of VIEH job search series. So today we are having job opening position as a SOC analyst from the company called Bluesfire. The company is hiring for the profiles, those who can join the company within the 30 days, and job location is Hyderabad. Now let's see the experience and the job role summaries. For this particular job role, you need experience between 0 to 2 years. So if you are freshers and you don't have any prior experience in the cybersecurity domain, you can still apply for this particular position. Now let's see the summary of your role. So you will be monitoring and analyzing the cybersecurity events. Also, you will be doing investigating documents and reports related to information security issues. Okay. Also, you need good verbal and written communication skills. And in addition to that, you need basic certifications in the cybersecurity domain. So if you think you are capable of doing these kind of things, so you can send your resume on this particular email address. You can see on your screen. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for the watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.